Hey Lisa, this is Michael Robert with Tameron Hyundai. I want to thank you on your inquiry on our beautiful new 2015 Hyundai Tucson. You didn't specify a color or trim package, so this is the one I just picked out myself. Let's take a look at it here. As you can see, the very front, wraparound projector headlights, fog lights, gray powder coated alloy aluminum rims. Let's take a look inside. You can see very, very spacious. This particular model has the bolster seats. They're half leather, half cloth, very stylish. Take a look inside. As you can see, this has even got heated seats, auxiliary, USB port, 2 cell phone chargers. You put the vehicle into reverse, it does pull up a backup camera. It is all touchscreen up here. It does also have Active Eco where you can save an additional 7% on your fuel. It does have cruise control, all your volume controls right here, Bluetooth settings, even has downhill braking assist, automatic windows. The list goes on. Most importantly, we'll talk about the warranties. Hyundai offers a 10-year, 100,000-mile warranty. Here at Tameron, exclusively for our customers, we double that to 20-year or 200,000 miles on your powertrain warranty. We also have a 5-year, 60,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty, and also a 5-year unlimited mile free roadside assistance. So Lisa, come see me, Michael Robert, Tameron Hyundai. Numbers 205-380-6250, and my personal cell is 205-246-5195. Thanks, see you soon.